Hi and welcome today. My name is Korry Smith and I work at Discovery Center. So today we will be making a colorful Whirlwind Science project using milk and soap. Today we are going to put on our science hats and you are going to be the scientist. So first we will be experimenting, then we are going to investigate to see how this happens. Okay, let's collect all of our supplies, then we can get started. So first, you will need some milk, preferably whole because it has a lot more fats in it. Then, what you will need is some food coloring. Now you guys can use whatever food coloring you guys have at the house. I used green, pink, and yellow. Next, we will need a dish. Make sure it's about 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep so your milk doesn't go splashing everywhere. Then you'll need some Dawn dish soap. Now you don't need too much soap, so I just put a little bit in a container. And last but not least, you will need some cotton swabs. So once your supplies are gathered, we are going to be following a step-by-step guideline. So let's get started. So first, you are going to be placing your dish in front of you. Step 2. You will grab your milk and you'll be pouring in your dish. Pour it about 1/4 of an inch deep, just enough to where it covers the surface of your dish. Okay. Step 3, you will be placing about 3 to 4 drops in the milk. Just leaving about this much space between each color. Now I'm moving on to yellow. And then for our last color, I will be using pink. And then for step 4, you are going to be holding the Q-tip in your hand and you are going to dip the tip in your Dawn soap. Just cover the tip with it. Awesome. And then what you will be doing for step 5, once the tip is covered in soap, dip it in the food coloring on the surface of the milk. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Okay, look at how the colors are running away from the soap. Isn't that neat? Okay, at this time, you can go ahead and discuss with your science partner why you think this happens. Okay, so we know that milk contains water, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and fats. So we can see how the soap particles are separating the fats from the milk, causing the colors to dance. And as you can see, even though I don't have my Q-tip in there at the moment, there's still soap in there, so it's still trying to separate those fats from the milk. So as you can see, it takes a while for these fats to separate from each other. So as you can see, the soap is still causing that reaction of the fats to separate, so the colors are still dispersing. It doesn't look so neat. So I'm gonna grab some more soap right here, and I'm just gonna dip some more in there. And as you can see, it's moving around a little bit. But once the colors stop moving around in the milk, that means that the soap particles have completely dispersed all the fats from the milk. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I would love to hear about how your experiments turned out. And if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe at the bottom. Can you see me now? Wait, can you see me?
Action.
Hi. Okay, ready?